Lesser-known facts about ants. Number 11. Some don't have eyes. Ants are an incredibly diverse species, with over 12,000 species of ants around the world. While many ants have eyes, there are some species that do not. These eyeless ants, known as blind ants, are found in various underground habitats. These ants have adapted to life without eyes, relying on their antennae, sense of smell, and other sensory organs to perceive their surroundings. Blind ants are able to forage for food, find their way around, and even build their homes, all without the use of their eyes. As an adaptation, blind ants have been found to have higher numbers of olfactory organs, which helps them to better detect smells. They also have larger antennae and longer legs than their sighted counterparts, allowing them to better detect changes in their environment. Number 10. Ants don't have ears. Ants are incredibly small and, because of their size, have some anatomical features that are quite different from humans. One major difference is that ants do not have ears. Instead of ears, ants have what is called a simple ear organ, or tympanic organ, which is located on their legs. This tympanic organ works like a diaphragm which is able to sense vibrations. This is how ants are able to detect sound, movement, and the presence of their fellow ants. Ants can also detect and differentiate between different smells and tastes. This is done through their antennae, which are highly sensitive and specialized organs. Number 9. Ants are social. Ants are highly social creatures and live in colonies, comprising of millions of individuals. Each of the members of an ant colony has a designated role, with some being workers, scouts, soldiers, and even farmers. Ants communicate with one another by chemical signals and vibrations, which helps them to work together to build their nests, find food, and raise their young. Ants are also well known for their ability to lift objects many times their own weight and for their ability to find their way home even after being displaced for long distances. Ants can also teach skills to one another and have even been observed making roads, so that other ants can find their way to food sources faster. Number 8. No ants in Antarctica. Antarctica is the only continent on Earth where ants are not found. This is mainly due to the harsh environment of the continent, which makes it difficult for the survival of ants. The weather can be extremely cold during the winter and extremely dry during the summer. Additionally, there are no trees or plants in Antarctica, which makes it difficult for ants to find food and shelter. While there may be some small, rare species of ants in some parts of Antarctica, they are not known to have any sustainable populations. Number 7. Trap-jaw ant can close its jaws at 140 miles per hour. Trap-jaw ants are a species of ants found in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. They are named for their incredible mandibles, jaws, which are capable of snapping shut at speeds of up to 140 miles per hour. The mandibles are so powerful that they can launch the ant up to 3 inches into the air, giving them the ability to escape from predators. Trap-jaw ants also have a specialized set of muscles in their mandibles which allows them to keep their jaws closed for up to an hour without having to use any energy. The jaws are so powerful that they can even be used to cut through the exoskeletons of other insects or even break through small pieces of wood. Number 6. Largest ant's nest. The largest ant's nest ever discovered was found in 1994 in the Monte Desert in Argentina. The nest was estimated to cover over 6,500 square meters, 70,000 square feet. This gigantic colony of ants had an estimated population of around 10 million. The ant species responsible for the nest was Linepothema humile, also known as the Argentine ant. The huge size of the nest was attributed to the large numbers of workers present in the colony. These ants have very specific roles when it comes to constructing the nest. They work together to form intricate galleries and chambers that are necessary to protect the colony from the elements. Additionally, the nest also served as a food storage area for the colony. Number 5. Strongest creatures in relation to its size. Ants are one of the most powerful creatures in relation to their size. Their incredible strength is due to their exoskeleton, which is made of chitin and is incredibly strong. In fact, ants can lift up to 50 times their own body weight. For comparison, a human could only lift about 10 times their own body weight. Additionally, ants are incredibly fast and can run up to 30 centimeters per second. They can also move very quickly in multiple directions, making them great climbers and navigators. Ants also have amazing instincts and can quickly detect threats and find food sources with ease. Number 4. Lifespan. The lifespan of an ant depends on its species and role within the ant colony. The worker ants that forage for food and defend the colony have a relatively short lifespan of about 1 to 3 years. Queens, on the other hand, can live much longer and have been known to live up to 15 years in captivity. Soldier ants, which are larger than the regular worker ants, generally live up to 2 years. Number 3. Damage caused by fire ants. Fire ants are a type of ant that is native to South America, but have invaded many other areas of the world as well. Fire ants are well known for their painful stings, but they also can cause a significant amount of damage to structures and property. Fire ants can chew through wood, insulation, and electrical wiring, damaging both the structure of a building as well as the electrical systems. Fire ants also can damage plants and crops by eating away at roots and stems. Fire ants can also spread disease and pests to areas that don't normally have them. All of this damage can be costly, so it is important to be aware of the dangers of fire ants and to take steps to prevent them from taking up residence in homes and businesses. Number 2. Bullet ant has the most painful sting. The bullet ant, also known as the conga ant, is a species of ant native to Central and South America. It is one of the largest ants in the world, growing up to 1 inch in length, and is known for its extremely painful sting. Unlike other ant stings, which usually cause a burning sensation, the sting of a bullet ant is said to feel like a bullet being shot through the skin, hence its name. This intense pain can last up to 24 hours, which is why the tribes of Central and South America use the sting of the bullet ant in a ritual called the glove of the bullet ant. During the ritual, the sting of the bullet ant is used to test the strength and endurance of young boys. Number 1. Over 12,000 ant species. Ants are one of the most diverse groups of animals on Earth, with more than 12,000 species worldwide. They can be found on every continent except Antarctica, and in a variety of habitats, ranging from deserts to rainforests. Ants vary widely in size, shape, color, and behavior. Some are social insects, living in colonies with queens, workers, and soldiers. Others are solitary. Ants have been around for more than 100 million years, and many species play important roles in ecosystems by dispersing seeds, aerating and fertilizing soil, and preying on other insects. They are also used as a food source in some cultures. Ants have amazing strength and endurance, and can carry items that are 10 to 50 times their own body weight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video about lesser-known facts about ants, be sure to check out our other videos where we discuss more curiosities around the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos. See you in the next one.